So this is part 2. We are removing that 12 mil bolt because I let it sit overnight, and that was, I mean, it went smooth because you're gonna see it went smooth. Took it off. It didn't strip. It wasn't hard to spin. So if yours break, bro, you're gonna have to drill that thing out once you drop the diff down. All right, so I'll show you the rest. This is the rest of the stuff I'm gonna install. This is the diff brace. These are the solid mounts, and that's the kit to remove the old mount. So mount, decoy mount, bushing, whatever you want to call it. Okay, now we got the bar off. Well, I let it sit overnight. Now I can try to remove these 12 mil bolts. I know I said that mad times, but I'm not trying to break these. That's why, you know, I'm taking my time with these. But anyways, this is the real deal now. We're going to take off these bolts. I'm going to send this out to the shop so this could just take out these rust, because I ain't having this on my car, you know, back on my car while this is changed, the cover. Alright, so let's do that right now actually. Alright, so I have the 12 mil regular with the 12 mil ratchet. So I'm gonna loosen it, try to loosen it. Like I said, be careful with this. You see? Spin. Tight, spin. Tight, spin it. Make sure. You see how you see like rust? If you see rust coming out, you know it's a good spin. If you see it a little too loose, it's cracked. That shit broke. But this is smooth right here. Because you know I sprayed it with PB Blaster and let it sit overnight. So that's easy to come out now. I mean, hopefully it went in. Hopefully that was the case. This one right here now. If you feel like it's a little too tight, you like pulling it on it a little too tight, you know it's about to break. So be careful. If you feel it doing that, go back and forth with it like this. Okay, so it doesn't break on you. Okay, like that. Let's do it. Find another spot. Okay. Alright. 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 It's smooth now. Smooth. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna take this off because it's gonna be a little boring watching me do this. Damn, son, you hear that wind? That wind is crazy. Alright, let me take this off. Okay, once you do that, try to twist it. Don't just try to pull on it. Try to twist it first. As soon as you see it wiggling like this, wiggle it back, just like that. Alright, so put this somewhere. This will be your driver's side. I'll put it somewhere up here. Let it hang over here somewhere. I'll put it up here somewhere. Okay. I'll put it up there. You see wiggling? I'll put it there. Now same thing with this side. Wiggle it first, back and forth, side to side. Go like this, go up and down. Alright. That is out. That was smooth. Okay, that's the passenger side right here. Okay, get this out the way. It's probably gonna come apart because when we start banging on this thing to go in. Alright, now that's done. Now let's stick the jack stand. Actually, let's put this bolt back so I don't lose it. Both sides, I'm gonna put both bolts back. Then I'm gonna go get my jack stand and hold the diff, and we're gonna have to, there's a bolt inside here first. Inside here. I think it's like a 17. And a 17 here. And a 17 right here. Put this back first. See, there's a bolt inside. See that? That's the bolt. Okay. 17. Make sure it's a 17 deep because a short one won't fit. Okay. You see? 17. Get a flat face, 1/2 inch. Put it on there and loosen it up. Got it loose. It is out. Now let's take the jack stand, place it here so we can remove these two over here. Alright. So I loosened them up a little bit so when I use the impact gun it doesn't strip. Alright. As you see, I forgot to remove this tube on top. I forgot about that tube. It's right here. Lucky it didn't break off. It's just rubber. Alright, so don't be like me and forget. Alright, let's take this out. These go on top. Don't lose these right here. I mean, you won't need them no more, but they go up here. Alright. Alright, this is it. The old stock mounts. Shit in there, little rust. I'll get all that cleaned off. Look at that. Damn, are these stocks? Tight. I don't know. Are those stocks? Like I said, this is going to the shop so I can get this fixed up. You see all these rust? Has to come off. So I'm gonna get that fixed. They might take this off, this rubber piece off. So if you was taking this off, get a socket, try to fit here, and bang it out. Flip it over, bang this out. If they don't take it off, I'm gonna show you how to do it.